Today, we'll introduce the Colorlight automatic calibration solution. What if one module in this screen failed to work? What if the module is broken? Traditional solution: calibration data are stored on the module. When module 1 faults, first remove the faulty module cabinet, module 1, then replace it with module 2. When module 2 lights up, its display is inconsistent with the other modules. They're not matching because module 2 stores calibration data too. So it's necessary to manually read back module 2's calibration data into the receiving card via software, enabling the receiving card to apply calibration data to. After powering off and restarting, the display screen shows a consistent image. Colorlight automatic calibration solution. Calibration data are stored on the module. Plug and play without system shutdown. When module 1 faults and needs replacement, module 1 is swapped with module 2. The receiving card automatically reads back module 2's calibration data and performs a comparison. Module 2's color matches the other modules, and the display screen shows a consistent image. Traditional solution. Disadvantages: requires power-off operation. Manual data read-back, time-consuming due to repeated restarts. Colorlight automatic calibration solution. Advantages: no power-off needed. Supports hot swapping. Receiving card automatically identifies calibration data. Real-time consistent display with zero manual intervention.